If you love bears as much as I do, then this quilt block is for you. It's called the Bear Paw. Should be called Bear Claw, but I think there's a pastry already named that. But the Bear Paw quilt block is very easy to do, and I want to tell you about the fabric too. The fabric is really pretty. It's something that we print here at Sewing Parts Online. It's part of our So Creative brand of fabric, and it's called, simply enough, brown fur fabric. Now, even I can remember that, I say as I'm glancing at my notes. Brown fur fabric. It's really pretty. It's got lots of different shades of browns and deep browns, but it's also got kind of a sunset a tint to it, which I think is really beautiful. So this bear paw is super simple to make, and here's how we do it. I'm going to set this guy aside for a minute. What you need is a square of your printed fabric, whether it's our brown fur fabric or not, and this square should measure 8.5 inches, okay? You also need 4 half-square triangles that measure 4.5 inches finished, and I'm going to lay those out here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to need 1 square of your background fabric, and mine is white, also 4.5 inches. So these are the pieces to the puzzle, okay? Very simple, not a lot of cutting to do, which is what I really like about the project. So what we do to sew these together is I'm going to move this up a little bit. We treat the top row by itself. So I'm going to fold this over here, do a 1/4 inch seam, press it open, and do the same thing over here. 1/4 inch seam, press it open. So the top row is put together. The side, we just go like this. We put these two together, stitch a 1/4 inch, open it up, and then fold both of these over onto the big square, stitch it there, open it up, and then finally take our top row, fold it over. You know, it's very simple. You've done this 100 times. So this is really cool. And what I like about it is it doesn't matter what size you do of this, because this was the Papa Bear square, right? Well, I also made a Mama Bear square. And if you wanted to do a smaller version of this, the squares on this, the half-square triangles are 3-inch half-square triangles, and the large square is 5.5 inches. And because the family isn't complete without the baby, I made a baby bear paw quilt block as well. And the baby measures, the HSTs are 2.5 inches square, and then the large square material is 4.25 inches square. So look, you can do all these, Papa, Mama, and Baby Bear. I hope you try this. This was a very simple, great beginner project. And happy sewing.